Alright, so we're going to unbox the HORI RWA, the Racing Wheel Apex. This is for your PS5, PS4, or PC. Alright, so I've got it set on my desk here, and I don't know if this thing's going to slide. I feel like I need like some kind of suction cups or something to hold it down. The clamp that came with it just can't fit on this desk because I have a pen tray right here, and with this pen tray it's just I may have to take that off if I want to clamp it down, which I'll have to unscrew it and take it off. Alright guys, we got the Apex racing wheel set up, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find some suction cups tonight to see if I can secure it down to the desk without having to remove that pen tray. And tomorrow on Friday Feelings, we will test it out. We're going to play some Gran Turismo 7, and it'll be the first time playing it, so I may have to go in, I guess, cut the music off and all that stuff so we don't get hemmed up for music, violation or whatever you want to call it, restriction or whatever it is. And we'll test out the HORI racing wheel. This is a entry-level racing wheel. I haven't played with any of the other expensive racing wheels, so this will be fun to test out and see if I like the racing with it. I haven't even done any gameplay on Gran Turismo 7, so it's gonna be fun. We're just gonna have fun. So if you want to drop in tomorrow, I always do Friday Feelings, so come in and talk about your week, and we'll test out the HORI Racing Wheel Apex. I hope to see you there. Till next time, y'all. You know what to do!